that peace give we offer with thanksgiving. Take the bread upon thy altar and the wine in the chalice. Everybody say, oh yeah.
In the presence of the Lord, I will sing my praise. In thanksgiving and love. You are going to make this one, everybody say. Say one nigga, what's your nigga? Anytime he enters, something may happen. Here didn't go for okay, baby. Okay, we didn't go for the one is simple. I don't want to do the one is simple. I'm going to go in the highway. I'm going to go in the highway. I'm going to go in the way. The Burubo is you, boy, baby, go. Celebrate Jesus. Yeah. Jesus ikebo. Oni kare anyway. Jesus ikebo. Jesus omana baraguwe. Jesus omana baraguwe mo. Jesus omana baraguwe. Jesus omana baraguwe mo. Ani ti o ma boye kwere. Ani ti o ma boye kwere. Wane mo were onye yiri Jesus. Wa boye yiri Jesus. Ewere wane gi yiri Jesus. Wa boye yiri Jesus. Send him your friend like Jesus. Wa boye yiri Jesus. But the devil will be like Jesus. So wa boye yiri Jesus. People can never go do like Jesus. So wa boye yiri Jesus. But then let you come your name on. Let you come your name. Let you come your name. Let you come your name. What do you mean, my boy? What do you mean, my boy? I want to hear from you people. I need to hear with him and I tell that today. Him and I tell that today. He don't know what me and we tell that today. Say that thou art worthy. You are worthy, oh Lord. Everybody gets ready. Oh, yes, it can be. God bless you. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. When upon life feed us, you are the best of. When you are discouraged, all is lost. Say, out your many blessings, let them one by one. And into surprise you of the Lord has done. Count your blessings. Count your blessings, let them one by one. Count your blessings. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings. Count your blessings, let them one by one. And it will surprise you of the Lord has done. Mama, when you remember what the Lord has done, you will never go back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. If you love Jesus, say no, no, no. I will never go back. Everybody, let's go this way. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. I will never ekpere niile nne gị mere Jehova ga-aza ya afụfụ nna gị tara